Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook session expired problem. In this scenario there might be so many reasons for this problem. The first one is the password change or session logouts. Whenever you change your password of Facebook from one device, the session will be expired in other device. In this scenario, there is no way to fix this. You just simply have to enter your password in order to log into account. But in the other case, there might be two reasons for this issue. The first one is your cluttered cache. In this case, if your account is showing the problem because of the cluttered cache, you just simply have to go into your settings and into the app settings, just simply select the Facebook into here. And after selecting the Facebook, first of all, force stop your Facebook application and go to storage section and clear your Facebook cache. And after clearing the Facebook cache, the problem might get solved, but if still doesn't get solved, the second issue might be the time and date of your device. Just simply check your date and time into your device, and if it's not correct, then correct your date and time. And after that, the Facebook session expired problem will get solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.